Have you ever wondered who the mastermind behind the financial technology giant, Paysafe, is? Let's dive into the story of the individuals who laid the groundwork for this global payment platform. Introduction. Imagine a world without a seamless way to make online payments. It would be a chaotic landscape of traditional banking methods, cash on delivery, and limited digital options. Enter Paysafe, the company that revolutionized the online payment industry. Question: but who are the brains behind this financial powerhouse? Let's explore the journey of the founders who dared to dream big and turned their vision into a reality. Founders. Founder 1. Background: introduce the first founder, their early life, education, and career path. Inspiration: discuss what sparked their interest in the financial technology industry and the challenges they faced in their early endeavors. Key contributions: highlight their specific contributions to Paysafe's founding and early growth. Founder 2. Background: introduce the second founder, their early life, education, and career path. Inspiration: explore what motivated them to join forces with the first founder and their unique perspective on the industry. Key contributions: discuss their specific roles in developing Paysafe's strategy and products. Founding story. Collaboration: explain how the two founders met and decided to collaborate on a new venture. Vision: discuss their shared vision for creating a global payment platform that would simplify online transactions. Challenges: highlight the obstacles they faced during the early stages of building Paysafe, such as securing funding and navigating a competitive market. Paysafe's early years. Product development: explore the process of developing Paysafe's initial products and services, focusing on the challenges and innovations involved. Market entry: discuss how Paysafe entered different markets and expanded its customer base. Key partnerships: highlight significant partnerships that contributed to Paysafe's growth and credibility. Paysafe's rise to prominence. Acquisitions and mergers: discuss major acquisitions and mergers that played a crucial role in Paysafe's evolution. Technological advancements: explore how Paysafe embraced technological advancements to stay ahead of the curve and offer innovative payment solutions. Global expansion: discuss Paysafe's strategic expansion into international markets and the challenges of adapting to different regulatory environments. Founders' impact. Leadership: analyze the leadership styles of the founders and how they influenced Paysafe's culture and direction. Legacy: discuss the lasting impact of the founders on Paysafe and the broader financial technology industry. Current roles: provide an update on the founders' current involvement with Paysafe or their other ventures. Summarize the founders' key contributions to Paysafe's success and their enduring legacy in the financial technology industry. Discuss how the founders' story can inspire aspiring entrepreneurs and innovators. Encourage viewers to learn more about Paysafe and the founders' journey through additional resources or by visiting the Paysafe website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.